Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can cancel NordVPN subscription and get a refund. To get a refund, all you have to do is Google search NordVPN support. From here, you have to click on NordVPN support on Google search engine. Now this page will open. From here, you can see this message icon on the bottom right corner. You have to click on it. Now NordVPN support, or you can say a chat box, will open from the NordVPN support at gmail.com. For example, this is just an example. You have to click on send, and here now the support team will reply you back. Once they reply you back, and they will ask you the question that what is your problem, what do you need, why you are reaching out to our support team. So you have to tell them that you need a refund. And the most important step, or the most important part, is that you have to ask for the refund before 30 days, because NordVPN has a rule of you can only get money back refund, or they offer money back guarantee within the 30 days time frame. If your subscription is over 30 days, then you're not eligible to get a refund. So you can ask for a refund after 29 days maybe. You just have to make sure it's not over 30 days. So they will check, and if you're eligible for the refund, they will give you a refund into 2 to 3 business days, and that's how you can cancel NordVPN subscription and get a refund. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.